Hi guys, Bruce here. Well, today I'm opening up a new toy. On the advice of Okie Chopper and a few others, I have finally purchased a set of mini drill bits. Now, I don't know if you can see how small these are, but look at this one down in the corner down here. So let's open it up without further delay. I'm not happy with the driver, the push driver. I'd rather get the little thumb drive on these. But let's just do this. I bought it for the drill bits, not the handle. And maybe the handle has a lock. We'll see once we get everything open here. And this is one of those crazy things where you got to destroy the package to get it out, eh? Ah, okay. Push the bottom forward? I don't believe that. Ah. All else fails, force it. There we go. So the other half of this container is completely useless. I would have thought that there would have been something over here, like another one of these little grabbers or something. So thanks, Bob, Okie Chopper. Now I'll show you what I'm going to use these for. In my other videos, you've seen me use the welding tip cleaners, and they work fine. But this is more of a grinding. These are more of a grinding motion. So we're going to move forward. Well, let's take this carburetor apart and actually do a pretend emulsion tube clean. It's been taken apart a few too many times already. Oh, it's not coming apart. Darn it. Okay. Let's try a different carb. We don't need to create ourselves too many issues here. These are both carburetors from generators. Okay, there comes the jet. And if you're going to ream out a hole, a jet would be this main jet would be the one. No, it's clean. I'm not going to make it bigger, but I just want to go through the process here. Oh, I see. Just push it forward. Wow, those are small, eh? Look at that. I mean, that's thin. So I bet you that just pokes right through there. And it doesn't. Okay, well that's fun. Let's put it back in its little slot. And we'll go down 50%. Excuse me. There we go. So that one almost fits. Let's go to the next one. Personally, I think you could almost take every modern carburetor and go up a 3% larger hole. Okay, that one fits. Just have patience with me. I think that's far enough. Now let's get it stuck into here. Oops. Let's get it stuck into here. Can you see this? Yes. So I've got a new goal. I'm going to try and take less shots of my back. I've had some complaints. I see. Oh, I see. That's what that's for. Yeah, I don't know. But this is the key right here. And now we'll just pretend that this drill bit was a tiny bit bigger than this hole. You just go in like that. Instead of reaming it out with a file. I tell you, these are going to be hard to keep track of. They are little. I'm assuming the longer they are, oh, those three are the same size. I'm talking to myself, guys. I'll just... Good boy. Boy, those are wonderfully little. Okay, now I'm going to try the holes in the sides. That's probably too big. Good. Let's try a smaller one. I did not know that screwdriver was magnetic. Isn't that something? So these are really, really, really small holes. Good. I'm happy. Wow, they're just smaller than a chunk of wire. So anyway, that's what that's for. And this one is for the bigger ones, I guess. That is really cool. But I'm not going to over tighten. Okay, there we go. Thanks, guys. Let's get that lid on there before they all go flying out. Thanks. Sorry, furnace is on. I just figured something out, guys. There's a little hole here, and you dial it to whatever size you want and put the drill bit in. Like that. And then close it. Ultimately cool. Yes, the furnace is on.